Hello friends, see you again with me Supercar. In this video I will review the 2025 Genesis GV80 Coupe. Watch the video until it's finished so you know what's being upgraded to the 2025 Genesis GV80 Coupe. Continue to support the Supercar channel by liking, commenting, subscribing, and tapping the bell so you get other latest car videos. What's new for 2025 Genesis GV80 Coupe? While we've only seen the concept so far, Genesis has confirmed that a version will be in production soon. We expect to see a production model debut soon, followed soon after by an appearance on dealer lots as the 2025 model. Created as a sportier alternative to the GV80 SUV, the Genesis GV80 Coupe features a fastback roofline and a more aggressive design. Genesis previewed this future production model with the GV80 Coupe concept, which is decked out in bright orange paint and rolls on massive 23-inch wheels. The interior, while based on the 3-row GV80, switches the 6-seat layout to a 4-seater, and the concept upholstery is finished in gray faux suede with orange accents. While Genesis hasn't talked about a powertrain yet, we noticed what sounded like the hum of a V6 engine when we saw the GV80 Coupe unveiled at an event in New York. That could mean it will come with the turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 currently available in the GV80, or it could get a more powerful factory pull from the G90 sedan. As we learn more about the GV80 Coupe, we'll update this story with details. Engine, transmission, and performance. Genesis hasn't said so yet, but we expect the production version of the GV80 Coupe to be offered with a V6 petrol engine. It could be the 375 horsepower 3.5-liter of the current GV80 squareback SUV, or it could be the higher output twin-turbo and e-supercharged V6 of the G90 luxury sedan, which produces 409 ponies. Either way, the GV80 Coupe will likely offer all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission as standard. As we learn more about the GV80 Coupe's powertrain, we'll update this story with details. The new model will compete with vehicles such as the BMW X6 and Mercedes GLE Coupe and will be positioned as a sportier alternative to the existing GV80 midsize luxury SUV. While looking at the concept, We also noticed that it features an evolution of the Genesis brand's winged logo. The new badge is darker and more two-dimensional than the chrome badge seen on the current Genesis model. We're expecting to see familiar Genesis trim levels like Advanced and Prestige here on the production version of the GV80 Coupe. Considering the appearance of a sportier fastback model and the potential for increased performance. Interior, comfort, and cargo. It doesn't take a detailed spec sheet to make the guesswork out that the GV80 Coupe's interior won't be as spacious as the regular GV80, but amenities should be just as generous. There is no third row in this fastback SUV, and the GV80 Coupe concept features 4 bucket seats instead of a second row of benches, making it only 4-seater. A quick glance through the photos shows many of the same basic features and design inside as the GV80, but the concept vehicle wears a handsome faux suede upholstery in light gray with orange accents and orange seat belts. Infotainment and connectivity. We expect to see the same infotainment offerings here as in the rest of the Genesis lineup. The GV80 Coupe concept features a sleek 14.5-inch infotainment touchscreen. On the regular GV80, the screen is touch-sensitive but can also be manipulated via the click-wheel controller on the center console. The concept also showcases a possible production 4-seater interior, though we expect the racing-style bucket seats toned down for the real thing. The eye-catching orange exterior color, called Magma, may as well remain exclusive to the concept car. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Among its competitors, the GV80 Coupe will offer one of the best standard warranty packages with a wide range of powertrains. The BMW X6 and Volvo XC90 offer the same amount of free maintenance, but neither the Mercedes-Benz GLE nor the Range Rover Sport offer high mileage coverage. The limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. The powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. Free maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles. Expect a debut in spring 2024. Assuming Genesis adds between 5 and 10%, as BMW and Mercedes do with their coupes, on top of the GV80 3.5T sticker price with the advanced package, you're looking at the GV80 Coupe starting at just under $80,000.